Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on tag notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on it. Now select manage apps option. In the search bar, type in tag and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on notifications option. To turn on tag notifications, enable show notifications option. And this is how you can turn on tag notifications. Thanks for watching Web Solutions. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.